Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, we will be learning how to fix Aqua application not working using your Android device. There are a couple of reasons why your Aqua application might not be working on your device. No matter what the problems are, here are some general fixes you could try in order to fix the issue. The first thing you can do is to force close the Aqua application. Go ahead and tap on the app switcher button, which should be appearing at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you do that, you will be able to see the app cards displayed on the screen. Simply drag upwards to the Aqua application and release it in order to delete the app. You can also remove any other background application running on your mobile device, and once you've done that, go ahead and open the app once again. Allow necessary permissions for the app and then your application might be working correctly again. The next thing you would want to do is to check your internet connection. Ensure you have connected your mobile device to a stable internet and it is functioning properly. Once you make sure of that, you might be able to fix your issue, but if you are still not being able to do so, then next thing to do is to update your application or check if you are using the outdated application version. To check that, open up your Google Play Store. In the search box, type in Aqua app and search. In the search result, go ahead and open up the Aqua application, and then if there is an update button available in the download page, then you can simply tap on update to download the latest version of Aqua application on your device. Sometimes you can also delete and reinstall the application in some cases. Press and hold the Aqua application and tap on uninstall. Tap OK in order to delete the app from your device. Once you've uninstalled your application completely, go ahead and open your Google Play Store once again and download the application on your device, and that might be able to help you fix the problem. So those were some of the easiest and the most general fixes you could try out if you're going through the Aqua application malfunctioning issue on your Android device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.